future teachers and educators, we felt like it broadened our horizon as to how to set up classroom and how to execute teaching plans. The renovation part was very new to me. I think it's very new for all of you too. And being able to be in charge of something as basic as the cleaning of the classroom and then the painting, which is very hard work that lasted for 3 days. All those little challenges helped me appreciate different professions a little bit more. This experience definitely gave me a fresh perspective as to what to bring into classroom and emphasize and to have respect for different professions.
Most of the time we only deal with the kids and talk about the kids. During this trip, we as a team had a privilege to get to know about, from the perspective of engineering, what they think. So it was a good experience, and working with them, they're really helpful. As a teacher, it was something that is new to us to do all the paintings, renovation things. But for engineering, it's what they study and what they do, so it was kind of easy for them, and so they helped us and gave us an idea how to accomplish the task in a better and more smooth way.